Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am the Jackie Jackson, a real estate coach and investor, and I am a tax lien and tax deed expert. In this video today, we're going to be talking about the flow of how a tax deed or tax lien auction works so that you can have a better understanding of how you can participate and take advantage of this incredible investing strategy. All right. So there's 6 different steps, so pay very, very good attention. All right. So the first step in before any auction ever takes place is that you got to have delinquent taxes. You have to have unpaid real estate taxes by that property owner. So once the property owner's property taxes goes unpaid for whatever that period of time is, the local tax collector or tax assessor is going to create that list of all the people that did not pay their real estate taxes, and then they are going to send them a notice and say, hey, if you don't pay your taxes by this date, your property is subject to being auctioned or included in a public auction. All right, that leads me to step number 2. Once that happened, the local county is going to publish this list. They're going to publish the list on the tax collector or the tax assessor's website, or they're going to publish it in a local newspaper in that local county. They're going to publish it at the courthouse. They publish it in multiple different places, but most people are not looking in those places. So that's why I'm here to talk to you about this investment strategy, because people still don't know that these opportunities exist. All right. So once you, me, investor, get access to the list, our next step in our flow chart is to do our due diligence. We have to do our research, y'all. It's not even optional. It's not optional, right? So just like any other real estate strategy, if you're going to be acquiring property, you must do your due diligence. So even if you are intending to invest in real estate tax liens, you have to do your due diligence. If you're intending to purchase real estate tax deeds so that you can own the property and get ownership rights right away, you still have to do your due diligence. You have to know what it is that you are actually purchasing. It only makes sense, doesn't it? All right, cool. So after you've done your due diligence, the next thing to do is decide which one of these properties you want to buy. I mean, seriously, it really is that simple. Which ones you want to buy, which ones you have interest in actually owning, and which ones that you think is going to yield you the highest rate of return if it is tax liens that you're going to invest in. And then you're also going to want to simultaneously understand the auction's rules. If you understand the auction's rules, then you can take advantage of all of what the auction offers, right? So you got to know the time that the auction starts. You got to know what the deposit requirements are so that you're make sure that you can get in where you fit in, because if you miss the deposit like deadline, then even if you show up on time to the auction, if you don't have a deposit, then you can't participate. That's something that you probably should need to know and plan for, right? You also should know when the balance of your winning amount is due. Some auctions require you to pay the same day within 24 hours. Some of them give you a week. Some of them give you a month. You need to know. You need to know all of that information. So that is definitely step number 5. You need to know. You need to know all the rules in regards to the auction that you are going to participate in. All right. Number 6 in your flow chart. So you've already participated in the auction, you're successful, all of that cool stuff. You have to have an exit strategy for your win. So whether it is tax liens that you're investing in, what would be your exit strategy in the event that you have to purchase or foreclose on this property? You got to know your intending actions after you do that. Plus, how do you keep track of all of your wins with your tax liens? Each of those have different redemption periods, and you're going to have to know what dates that you are going to either do a foreclosure action and try to collect on your tax in the event that the property owner does not pay. So that's all of that you need to know. Also, if you are investing in tax deeds auctions and you do get a tax deed, you're also going to know your exit strategy too. What are you planning on doing? Are you going to sell the property right away? Is that what you want to do? You want to flip it immediately, sell it as is? Do you want to renovate it? Do you want to buy and hold it and keep it? Do you want to rent it out? Like, what do you want to do? Like, you literally got to know all these answers. You got to know. So if you need some help trying to navigate and figuring out, what strategy or what plans would work best for you as a new investor, this is a really great time to schedule a clarity call with me. The link is going to be in the description. So take advantage of the opportunity to talk to me, answer all of your questions. You can ask me anything you want to ask me and I'll direct you to it. No, this is not a sales call or anything like that. I mean, to be honest with you, the strategy ain't for everybody anyway, right? But this is a real great opportunity for you to speak with an expert and for somebody to explain to you exactly what this opportunity could bring for you and how you can take advantage of it, right? So the tax deed and tax lien auctions is not a complicated strategy, but you do have to know some things. You do have to know some things before you jump on into it. So in order for you to be the most successful, just go ahead and schedule that clarity call and call me up so we can just chit chat and figure this thing out together. Okay? All right. Listen, if you're new to this channel, you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and go and click that button, click the button, and not only just subscribe, but I want you to also turn on your notifications as well, okay? Because when these new videos drop, honey, they are hot, 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 and you want to make sure that you don't miss it, all right? Well, it's your girl, the Jackie Jackson. We'll be talking soon.